cross street, they modded the elevator. Press the button, please. And we got this right here. This used to be an old Otis freight elevator. They modded it with this.
Got a tall ceiling.
Please send it to the top floor and let's listen to the motor.
Slow.
This is very tall for a hydro. Now we're gonna go back down to the basement. Ooh, door close button works. I like that. Check the phone box, please.
It's ADA style.
Here's Patrick. Here's our camera.
This elevator got ruined. What is the name of the building?
100 Cross Street, Pittsburgh.
We're ending it down here?
Yep.
They no longer work. They were out of a job. It's something electric and automated. That's their job. They stole their job from us. The elevator took over someone's job.
There's Jared and TJ. And this elevator right here, I'll show you the original call button as soon as it closes up. See, you can see this was a mod. Look, because this is the original call button. That's all that's left of it. So, fail. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.